Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a modern air freshener for the Model 3 and Model Y. These are called the Star Glow car diffusers. They come in various colors. So we have this chameleon type where it changes colors and stuff, and it slides in, and I'll show you guys with the car, and then you basically put the scent in here, which is supposed to last about 60 days or so, and it's magnetic and it stays. So when the AC is on, it's blowing through this and it's freshening up your car with a certain scent. So we have the gray colored one, and we also have the white colored one. Now this is designed specifically for the Model 3 and Y. I just so happen to have both of those cars, so I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I have one with a dark interior and one with a lighter interior as well. So show you guys, and then these are the various scents. They come in two, and you basically pull this out, pop it in here, and then close it up and you're good to go. And here are the various samples that they have. So they have the Shenzhen 1979, Citrus and Tea, Amber and Pink Pepper, Sea Breeze, that's probably going to be good, Sandalwood, Petite Green and Cedar, Peach Oolong Tea, Grapefruit, and Bodhi and Forest. Alright, so I'm in my Model 3 Performance with the white interior. As you guys can see, I have all three colors right here. We're going to start with the white one, and I've taken out the Peach Oolong Tea. So that was the first one I just decided to open. I do like peach tea, so figured I'd use that. Okay, so basically magnetic. Pop this out. Take it in. Good to go. Alright, so to pop it in, it's very straightforward. This part that's sticking out, you basically just start right around the corner. You place it and then you just slide it. And then boom, that's it. It's done. It won't move. It's fairly secure in place. And you don't even have to remove it to take out the scent. So you could take out the scent and then pop it back in. So that's what the white color looks like. It is a metallic-ish, pearlish white. And this is the metallic-ish gray. So this matches this, and this matches that. And then this is the rose-colored combination. Let me just hold it like this because it's going to fall in. But yeah, I mean, let me know. I mean, this is kind of cool because it has a camouflage color, but this is more noticeable. I like the more subtle colors. Now, as far as scent is concerned, if I had to scale it from 1 through 10, 1 being I can't notice it at all, to 10 being it's in your face, I would give this maybe a 5 or a 6 on that scale, where you definitely notice the peach tea smell, which makes me want to go drink tea for some reason. But you definitely smell that. However, it's not like in your face powerful. But I'm going to say it's definitely at least halfway powerful to maybe a tad bit more. So probably a 5 or 6 from a 1 through 10 scale. Okay, so I've opened up all the samples. We're going to smell it. Hopefully the peach tea isn't going to overpower it. However, I think if I smell it close enough, we should be good to go. So we're going to start with Shenzhen 1979. It smells, I don't know. I'm not a smell expert. I'm going to say it smells like one of those good deodorants. I don't know how to, maybe like a foresty smell type of thing. Deodorant type of smell from that. Okay, grapefruit definitely smells like grapefruit. However, it smells like a little bit more of a sweeter side grapefruit, like a grapefruit and an orange kind of combined. Peach is what I was smelling. Smells very good. Peach Oolong Tea literally smells like that. It's crazy how accurate that is. Okay, so this is Petite Grain and Cedar. Yeah, this definitely smells like wood. I'm not a fan of that one. It might smell better through the AC. Maybe it was a little too powerful. So this is Sandalwood. Okay, Sandalwood smells better to me. Again, I'm terrible at explaining what scents smell like. This one kind of smells like one of those good smelling candles. Like that's being descriptive. I don't know, it's kind of like a sweet smell. Like a sweet and spicy? Can I say spicy? It's like a sweet smell with wood. During the edit, I'm sure this is going to be amusing because I'm going to be like, oh my god, do I actually look like that when I'm smelling this stuff? Okay, Sea Breeze smells really good. Might be my favorite so far. So Sea Breeze does kind of smell a little bit like the ocean, like a pleasant smell. That one smells really good actually. Not a fan of amber and pink pepper. It smells... Yeah, I can almost smell like a pepper out of it. I'm not a fan of the amber and pink pepper. Let's try the citrus and tea. This one is more subtle smell, and it does smell like a citrusy tea. And this is Bodhi and Forest. This one smells pretty good too. This one is more of a subtle scent, this Bodhi and Forest. And kind of is like a... It honestly reminds me of one of those candles where it's like a forest scent kind of thing. So I'm going to say from my favorites, my top two would be Sea Breeze and Bodhi and Forest. I also like the peach tea one. It literally smells like peach tea. Okay, so now we're in the Model Y with the black interior. So I have all three colors here. So let's pop them in, see which one looks good with this color interior. So, I don't know. Between these three, what do you guys think? I personally think the gray looks the best. However, this one doesn't look too bad because this gold color kind of matches the wood color. So it actually doesn't look too bad. I was thinking... yeah, it's actually not bad. However, I think my personal pick would be the gray. But let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Which color matches which interior the best? But overall, it's very sleek. I like the fact that it's kind of a modern twist to air fresheners. So if you guys are interested in it, definitely check it out. But yep, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.